Welcome to day 10 of our 90-day challenge.
Absolutely, and this one I'm excited for, Patrice, because we are in the fields. And this is an inventory home with one of our top 10 builders.
Yes.
And I think this thing is a go-getter.
Okay, let's turn it around and get going.
Come on through, Patrice. Now this is a Shaddock Home, ready now. It's priced at $1.249. Now, on the surface, that sounds like a lot, and it is, don't get me wrong. But just down the street, there's a Huntington for sale that's $1 million more. So if you know anything about the fields, and we'll talk about it throughout this tour, this is just an exciting, one of the most talked about communities and developments in all of Texas. This is one of possibly 2 offices. It has a flex space that I think you can use it as an office or a dining area, but to me, most of our clients I think would use it as an office. But this is really good size. Front of the house where you got your porch, you got your nice 2 big windows coming in. One of the things I love about this particular house, I love these floors.
Yeah, these are solid, very solid floors.
Everything's solid. Now this is a 2-story design. It's 5 bedrooms, has about a little over 3,800 square feet. Media room, game room upstairs, so really nice layout. And one of the best features is that it has a green belt that backs up to a brand new park that they're developing. This is that flex space, Patrice, that I was talking about. Don't you think this is just crying to be an office?
It would be in our house because we don't use our dining room. So yes, I think this is fantastic. I mean, it'd be really easy to even put doors if you wanted to close it off.
Exactly. You can put doors there or just have it open depending on your needs.
Yeah.
You know, if it's a whatever.
Big windows that open so you can get some air if you need to. I like it.
Exactly. Now, come on through. And right here is the kitchen. You know, I love the big island. You know, that's a good 4-butt island, 3.5 maybe. What I love, Patrice, is the quality of the cabinets. The glides, everything are just smooth, very smooth. So, love the 6-burner cooktop. It's got everything that you would want. What is this? Is this anything? No,
Look
this
at
is
all
just
the
a
cabinet space too they have up there, and I like, of course, you know, I like those. It's funny because I do like those transom cabinets with the glass. I don't know what I'd put in there, but I just like it. I think it's a neat thing to have.
Absolutely. Now, the one odd thing about this kind of configuration is the snack closet.
Oh,
It's over on this side, and it's underneath
the stairs.
the stairs.
Oh, it sure is.
So, I mean, I guess Costco approved. You could put all those
Yeah, you could put like another
paper towels
shelving
and
in
all
there.
sorts of things over there, right?
So that would make the other one a coat closet.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a coat closet.
Fair enough.
Now, this has a 2-car garage, and then here is your laundry area. Now, the Fields development is designed right around the PGA, right? It's all part of that PGA headquarters and all that good stuff. And it's going to be attached to the Ritz-Carlton. You've got all the shops. If you're familiar with Legacy West at all, it's going to be the exact developer, same developer, and just a bigger version of that. And it's all attached through trails to get there. So this is just kind of, you know, North Dallas area just is not known for its walkability. But this neighborhood kind of changes that a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, you can walk to, there's quite a bit of places you could walk to now that you mention it. I mean, you could be able to walk to the new Universal from here, really.
Yeah. In fact, I didn't even mention that. So Universal's not that far away as well. So this is your downstairs kind of guest room or another room if you need it. And they are going to share, or they are going to have access to this bathroom right here.
I was showing them this bathroom a minute ago.
Okay.
I'll show it again because I probably went out of order.
Oh, well, no big deal. I mean, like I said, we're just doing our 90-day thing. Patrice, what is screaming for right here?
Everybody knows you got to put a Christmas tree right there.
Right? I mean.
And then when you don't have a Christmas tree there, they usually put a round table and some knickknacks or whatever, but.
Speaking of round tables, so if you use that as a second office, you could do something like a round table right here. There's plenty of open space
I feel like that's what that
is the
intended.
design.
Yeah, like the stacked.
Yeah, so I mean, you can totally do that. So you're not losing dining space by doing that. And then you've got this fireplace. You know, what I love about Shaddock is it's not showcased here, but it would be easy to do, is put that brick facade all the way up.
Yeah.
That would look
or
killer.
More tile. I mean, the options are endless right there.
I know, but there's something about that brick that I just
I
love.
know, because of the model that's in Windsong Ranch used
Yeah,
to have
the former
that.
model, yeah. So here is outside. I want to kind of show you guys what we're talking about. Now they are in development of this park, so it's not quite there yet. But you can see it's a good deep lot, right? It's 50 foot wide. You could definitely put a pool in here if you want. But you're gonna have lots of privacy. There's no one behind you. And I don't anticipate that this park is gonna be overly busy, but it's gonna be just a nice.
Yeah, I mean, you got these big trees right here that pretty much block a lot of noise or anything, but you're gonna have just little walking trails back there. There's gonna be some playgrounds. It's not gonna be anything major.
Nothing major
A
at all.
splash pad, but it's not gonna be right in your backyard. So, yeah, this is great.
Yeah.
It is super windy today, so sorry if our wind's coming through here. Let's get out of the
Yeah, the weather is not cooperating with our
our 90-day
challenge here.
The show must go on.
The show goes on. All right, so let's go over here. Over here is your primary. Before you get in that, you got another coat closet. All right, so here's your primary. It's got vaulted ceilings, which I like. It's got 4 big windows. It's more long than it is wide, but wide enough. I mean,
which is kind of cool because you do the bed, and then they like to put those 2 chairs and a coffee table right there, which is kind of a cool look.
Exactly. It's already set up for your TV, probably a good 65-inch TV just sitting there.
Oh,
and then here,
we have a big TV.
I know, here is your ensuite. It's got the fan on. There you go.
This is cool, actually.
Yeah, I like the tub. I like the jewel box shower.
The tub's like tucked away nicely, so you're not tripping over it.
Yeah, it's not a tripping hazard.
Yeah, I like it.
But yeah, this is nice. I wish it had a rain head, but.
The other thing I
I'll take
bet
it.
you're not a super fan of is that niche, because then people can see out this glass right here.
Yeah.
And see your stuff. You don't like people seeing your stuff.
I don't like people seeing my stuff. It doesn't have a bench either. But here's the thing. I don't know that we've ever had anybody look at our shower besides
Never.
you and me.
Never. The cat does, but other than that.
All right, look at this.
Wait,
Oh,
I
go
gotta
ahead.
show
I'm
them the
sorry.
sinks. You got split sinks.
Yeah, I know.
This is another one of your favorites.
I do like split sinks, you know,
I
because
know.
guys, you know, and I know that we get taken over. The ladies take over our counter space. You got his and hers closets. This would probably be my closet. Not too big, but plenty enough for me.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. You are correct about that, Andy. All right, and then here is your office. Hey, it's a little bit bigger.
My office.
Or your.
This is where he's gonna make me office out of now.
This is where Patrice's office is now.
Okay.
Keeping her in the closet.
All right, I see.
I like the 8-foot doors all the way through on the bottom
I
level.
do too. The only thing I would do differently, well, you'd have to add window coverings or you're gonna put on a show for your neighbors, but other than that.
I mean, you are in a jewel
Yeah.
shower, so I mean, maybe it works. Let's go upstairs. Let me show you that. All right, so now you've got this big lofty game area. And I like that it's attached to your media room. This is plenty of size for a pool table, however you want to do it up here. But then over here, look at this big media room. It feels like the big media room is kind of going away, and that is no bueno when it comes to me. I would put like a bar here.
Oh, yeah. That's
Right, you could put, so you have your popcorn, all that, and then you can either do the big TVs or the projector.
All right, we have work people that just came in, so we're gonna finish this up pretty fast.
Yeah, 90 videos in 90 days, guys, is what you get. Yeah.
That's
You
right.
can hear them
You can
working
hear 'em
downstairs.
working.
But we got 3 more bedrooms to show you. Let's go. I like how it steps down.
I like that too.
And then right over here, this is a big room with its own little ensuite, which is really nice.
This is great.
It's got a nice sized walk-in closet. And then, like I said, that ensuite
Look at
with
this
the
shape.
bathtub.
It's got like a rounded shape right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then, which means this closet probably has an interesting shape too. Cool. And then it's got its own bath. Gotta love that. Okay.
Yep, so we got 2 more bedrooms and 1 more bathroom to show you.
I have a feeling they look kind of similar, right?
Yeah, but
I like this little space down here.
yeah, and then right here you could put a little desk, you know, if someone wants to do something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Here is the bathroom that these 2 bedrooms would share.
Okay.
And then like I said, the bedrooms are oversized, I would say. They're good, probably 13 by 14 or so, maybe even a little slightly bigger.
Yeah, these are fantastic. Let me get over so you can really get an idea of how big they are. Fit plenty of furniture in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then here you go on the front of the house now. Again, another 14 by 13, 14 by 14 home, or room with another walk-in closet. And this closet's pretty big.
Let's see. Oh, it is big.
Yeah.
Nice.
You can kind of see the neighborhood a little bit. I mean, this is just a top-notch community. You know, I mean, it's, if you haven't heard of the Fields, then you definitely hit that Dream Home Forum. Let's have a Zoom and let's really get you educated, because if you're interested, this has got top schools, top location, you know, very desirable area, very low taxes, no pit or mud or anything like that. So
Super close to the tollway. Easy to get to the airport and everything.
It's far enough away where you don't hear it or anything like that. It's not even close to hearing it, but it's close enough to where it'd take you 3 minutes to get onto the tollway. So, like I said, 90 videos in 90 days. This is day number 10. Hope you're enjoying this series. If you are, smash that like button, give us some encouragement. Let us know your favorite so far. And for all of your Dallas real estate needs, you know who to contact. Andy Patrice, hit that Dream Home form below, and let's get you started on your new dream home. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.